So guys, welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about how to make a figure ground map in just like about 2 minutes. So whatever area that you want to select, that let's say I was just doing figure ground map of Varkala. So we are basically going to learn about how to make a figure ground map in just like over 2 minutes. So what you have to do is you have to select your area, whatever your area is. So first of all, that we are making is a figure ground map. So for the figure ground map, you have to go in this layer option and select the first option, that is the clean option, and that's it. And you have to take a snip. If you are using a Windows laptop, then you can snip the area. If you are using a Mac laptop, then there is an option for screenshot in the laptop. After you take a snip, just you have to do is copy the photo, go in Google Slides or any presentation software, or even in any simple photo editing tool. For now I'm going for Google Slides, and from there in that we are going in format options. Then we'll select the option of recolor. In recolor we'll go with, if you want a lighter tone then you can go with light one, but here we want to show very perfect kind of a thing, then we will go with light 4. Light 4, then you have to go in adjustment, and then you have to increase the brightness to like around, let's say, 20, and then increase the contrast to full, or maybe a little less, maybe 58, or I think 70 will be like perfect for this one. Yes, and adjustment, we're going with brightness a little more, a little more, a little more. This is too much, so I think 50 would be perfect. Okay. So there it is. It is done in just like 2 minutes. So this is the figure ground analysis for any map that you want to do in your software. So that's it for the video, and thank you for watching. And figure ground map is that easy. So if you found the video interesting or useful, then share it with someone who may need it. Thank you.